Hello beta, good morning. Today we'll see our last topic, that is separation of gases of air. You know that air is a mixture of gases. So how can we separate different gases from the air? Yesterday we have seen that fractional distillation for separating the miscible liquid. Similar, that technique will be used to separate the separation of gases of air. There are two types of distillation. One, simple distillation. Simple distillation is used where the boiling difference of the boiling point of two different liquid is more than 25 degrees Celsius. And fractional distillation will be used where boiling point difference is less than 25 degrees Celsius. Okay, so main component of air is nitrogen, which is 78%, oxygen 21%, and 0.03% is argon. Okay, so first we will convert these gases into a liquid state. How can we convert these gases into liquid state? By compressing and cooling. When we will cool the liquid, then it will come into solid state. Similarly, when we will cool air, then it will come into liquid state. और ज़्यादा cool करेंगे तो solid में. By the cooling, air convert into gases convert into liquid, liquid convert into solid, and by heating, solid convert into liquid, liquid convert into gaseous. So by cooling, we will convert the air into liquid state, and by the compression means increase in pressure. We know that in gaseous states there is more intermolecular space between the particles of matter. So by compression and cooling, first we will convert the air into liquid state, and at the liquid state, boiling point of nitrogen will be minus 196 degrees Celsius, and boiling point of argon is minus 186 degrees Celsius, and boiling point of oxygen is minus 183 degrees Celsius. So lowest boiling point is nitrogen and highest boiling point is of oxygen. Okay, so first we will convert the air from gaseous state to liquid state by compression and cooling. After that, we will take that liquid air in that setup we have seen in the case of alcohol and water. In fractional distillation setup, we will take all three gases, and then we will heat it. And when we will start heating, nitrogen has lowest boiling point. First start boiling, and then we will take in separate beaker. First we will take nitrogen in one beaker, then we will increase the temperature, and then argon, which has more boiling point than nitrogen. Secondly, argon will convert into the gaseous state. We will store in the separate beaker, and last, oxygen, which has most highest boiling point compared to the nitrogen and argon, will convert at last. So by this process we will separate nitrogen, oxygen and argon. I am repeating again, air is a mixture of different gases, and for obtaining main constituent of gases are nitrogen, oxygen and argon. So first we will convert these gases into the liquid state by cooling and compression. After that, we will take in a fractional distillation setup, then we will heat it. Nitrogen, which has lowest boiling point, will start boil first and will be stored in a separate beaker. After that, in the same manner, we will increase the temperature by heating, and at minus 186 degrees Celsius, argon will convert secondly, and after that, at last, oxygen has highest boiling point. सबसे लास्ट में ये आपका convert होगा into the gaseous. By this process, we will separate all three gases in a separate container. Thank you, beta. So just read the lesson properly and complete your workbook. Next lesson, force and laws of motion. 9th lesson will be started from Monday. Thank you, beta.